Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect a GameSir G7 Pro to your PS5. First, get a compatible USB controller adapter. The Brook Wingman P5 and the Brook Wingman FGC2 are two popular options that work with the PS5. Before connecting anything to your console, plug the adapter into your PC and update it to the latest firmware using the official Brook Update tool. This is important because the latest firmware allows the adapter to properly recognize the GameSir G7 Pro. After the update is finished, disconnect the adapter from your computer and plug it into one of the USB ports on your PS5. You can use either the front or the back USB port. Next, take the USB-C cable that came with your GameSir G7 Pro and connect the controller to the USB port on the Brook adapter. Wait a few seconds while the adapter detects the controller. Once the connection is complete, try moving through the PS5 home screen to confirm that the controller is working correctly. Once everything is working, you can start playing supported games with your GameSir G7 Pro on your PlayStation 5. Thanks for watching.